Welcome to Royals Tech and Inventions channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make these trending images. These images are trending very well in a couple of weeks ago, and without wasting my time, I'll get into the video. Intro. Welcome back. So I'll show you the images I'm talking about. These are the images I'm talking about. These images, they are trending very well when you get to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. So I'll show you how you can also make some. I'll come back and go to Google. In the search bar here, I'll type hugging face. Hugging face. Then I'll search. When it comes like this, then you tap on the first link. This is it. Tap on it and tap on Chrome. My default browser is Chrome, so I'll tap on it. When it comes like this, scroll down, scroll down and tap on illusion diffusion. I'll tap on it. After the website has been loaded successfully, you see it will load you to this page. Here is where you upload the image. So I'll tap on it. Then tap on Elon Musk. Okay, and here you just have to drag it to maybe 1.9 or 2.0. okay, it's not really that bad. 2.05. Then you scroll down and you type what you want to be in the background. So I want maybe Elon Musk is a car manufacturer, or so maybe plenty of cars, or maybe a bushy area. Let me type a bushy area, or maybe plenty of cars. Let me use plenty of cars, or maybe let me use plenty of cars. So plenty of cars will be in the background. Plenty, or maybe let me use plenty cars in a city. Okay, so you don't have to do anything here again. You just tap on run. You see it is loading. Okay, it is loading. It will take a long period of time for it to be done. So I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. You can see the image has been generated successfully. If you want to download the image, you just have to long press on the image and tap on download image, or you tap on the download icon here, and tap on download. All of the process will download the image to your gallery. I'll put the website link in the video description for you to tap on it and also use the process. And this is what I wanted to show you today. I want you to subscribe, like and share my videos so that I can upload more videos of this. I'm signing out. Boom.
Listen on the